Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best entry-level road bike you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best entry-level road bike on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which entry-level road bike are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Vilano Diverse Hybrid Road Bike. The Vilano Diverse 3.0 Performance Hybrid 24-speed is an awesome bike for the ride to work and weekend fun, no matter the weather. In a variety of conditions, the disc brakes provide excellent control and stopping power. This performance hybrid bike is ideal for commuters. It can travel long distances over varied terrain with ease. The Vilano Diverse 3.0 is ideal for weekend group rides or a leisurely afternoon on the rail trail. The bike is delivered factory direct and will need to be assembled and tuned. This bike's components, such as shifters, brakes, and so on, will arrive exactly as shown on the listing. The availability of factory components is affected by a variety of factors, including supply shortages and transportation issues. Reviews and questions may include out-of-date information. The listing is the most reliable source of information about this product. Choosing the proper bike size is critical for safety and comfort. A minimum of 1 to 2 inch should be allowed between the rider and the top bar of the bike. For details, let's watch more. Our second best entry-level road bike is Vilano Shadow 3.0 Road Bike. Vilano produces some of the most visually appealing and well-designed road bikes. It is, without a doubt, one of the best bicycle manufacturers available at a reasonable price. The fact that they produce entry-level and mid-range models speaks volumes about their quality. As a result, anyone can find what they need. Controllable braking and shifting in a convenient single-unit design for the road are the benefits of integrated brake lever/shifters. Integrated headset and internal cable on a 6061 double-butted aluminum aero frame. Vilano is a well-balanced mix of Shimano and Tommaso road components. They will provide you with 14 different speeds. One aspect that some riders may not be thrilled with is the brakes. Fushino, in particular, is equipped with rim brakes. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Schwinn Velare Hybrid Road Bike. If speed is the name of your game, then you need a bike that's nimble and agile and built to go fast. The 700C Women's Velare 1400 by Schwinn is a fast, light road bike that will satisfy your need for speed. The lightweight Schwinn aluminum road frame complements the steel road fork for agile riding, which is aided by the lightweight handlebar, stem, and seat post componentry. Shimano 14-speed integrated shifter brake lever combo and front and rear Shimano derailleur provide crisp braking and smooth shifting. Oversized Schwinn road tires keep things moving quickly and smoothly, while the alloy double wall rims keep the bike sturdy and the ride enjoyable. The Velare 1400, like all Schwinn bikes, comes with a limited lifetime warranty for as long as you own it. Riding a Schwinn gives you a sense of freedom. Fourth recommendation in our side is Vilano City Bike. The Vilano Hybrid City Bike is a great bike for riding in town, on errands, or paved bike paths and rail trails. With the hybrid cruiser handlebars, ride upright. The matching suspension saddle and comfortable grips are stylish and classic in appearance. The sturdy high-10 steel frame includes water bottle mounts and rack eyelet attachment points, so you'll be ready for the commute or grocery run. The twist grip shifter controls 7 gears as you roll over hills and speed through flat neighborhoods. To handle a variety of riding conditions, quick 700C wheels and 700C by 35C tires are used. This bike has a fun, retro vibe to it. There is only one frame size, 53 centimeters, with a standover height of 31.5 inch. This bike will arrive in a large cardboard box partially assembled and will need to be assembled and tuned before riding. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best entry-level road bike list is Trinx Tempo road bike. The Trinx Tempo features an ultra-durable aluminum frame and a stiff carbon fork. The rear triangle even has rear fender mounts, allowing you to use mudguards on this bike for commutes in all weather conditions. When it comes to components, the Trinx Tempo has Shimano written all over it. Shimano Tiagra is the group set used on this bike, and it is a mid-range group set that can withstand a lot of abuse. The Orbea Von, like most modern endurance road bikes, has a pair of mechanical disc brakes, which greatly improves its versatility. It can be ridden on any terrain and even in the rain. The Trinx Tempo tires are fast and smooth. You can certainly go a few millimeters wider if you want to improve comfort and grip even more.